Three Stars poll is brought to you by Owens Community College. Apply online at owens.edu.
All right. I know Matt Melzak is the goalie guy around here, but I need to give this goalie some love. My star of the week is Bedford goalie Zach Ingles. Stood on his head Saturday night against Lake. He made 40 saves in a 2-2 tie. Lake had more than double the shots of Bedford, but he kept them in this game. I heard somebody on the Mule side go, "What are you feeding this kid?" I don't know, eggs, bacon, a birthday cake, whatever it is. Someone needs to get this kid a steak dinner. Has a couple of 50 save games this season. Zach Ingles, my star of the week. Phenomenal performance.
Yeah, that's you always got to steal. You got to steal my thunder there with the goalie. I think it's the greatest position in all of sports because it can win games for you, and it can also get you ties. I'll go with Ben Loomis there out at Lake in that same game because he's the only one who scored on it. All right, you want to take Ingles? I'll take the guy who scored 2 against him, Ben Loomis, forward for Lake. I love Clay Soltis out there. And no doubt about it. They got some good players, but Ben Loomis, he found the back of the net twice. That gets you on the 3 stars, Matt.
Ben, all you got to do now is go out and win this thing. You had a good game. Now try to get yourself a 3-star victory. I'm going to go with someone who can light the goalies up. And I'm going to go with Shane Casson down at Bowling Green. He was their leading scorer last year as a junior. This year as a senior. Big week. They had Northview on Friday. 2 goals, 1 assist. They had St. John's on Saturday, 1 goal, 1 assist. They had Anthony Wayne on Sunday on BCSN now on the app, so he saved his best for last. 2 goals, 2 assists. Shane Casson is on fire. I'm going to go with the BG Bobcat right now, number 23.
BG is going to be in Straunsville this weekend. Going to be fun to see how they continue on. This poll will open with Zach Ingles, Ben Loomis, and Shane Casson. Right after the show, you can vote on Twitter at BCSN Sports. Retweet it, quote tweet it, tag the schools, tag the guys. It'll be open until Friday at noon.